Hi friends, welcome back. Today we'll be learning about Google AI Studio. Till now my two bests are ChatGPT is the fast for me. I prefer it more than anything else, and then GitHub Copilot, which I'm using for programming, that helps me for vibe coding. And then with Gemini 3 has launched in last week. So let's see the power of Google AI Studio if we can do vibe coding using Gemini 3 on Google AI Studio. So for that, let's first type Google AI Studio. This is the first link, says Google AI Studio. We'll clicking into it. Experiment with, okay, so Gemini 2.5. I think Google Gemini 3 will be seeing here. Get started. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, so new Gemini 3. So we'll be trying Gemini 3 for vibe coding today. Let's first try to explore what we have here. This is the home page. What we can see, we have this vibe code AI apps. So here we can chat, basically give the instructions, and with this model Gemini 3 Pro preview, this model it will be used internally and do the programming. Then we have Nano Banana powered app. So if we use this Nano Banana powered app, it can create amazing images. Actually, Nano Banana, we'll be doing another video using this Nano Banana. Then we have create conversational voice apps. So using this model with Gemini 3 and using this prompt, basically, or this supercharge, it says supercharge your app with AI. So using this create conversational voice apps, we can create some voice apps. And then in gallery, you can explore the gallery, saying Gemini Pro is here. There are lots of informations are here in gallery, and whatever you will be creating, you can see them here. So at this point, this is the first time I'm going to use it. So let's start. And I have chosen Gemini 3, and then you can add file, images, anything here, to give this model more context. So what I have here, I have a plan to create games. So this first one, I created this prompt. Basically, I created this prompt through ChatGPT. So I gave a small instructions to ChatGPT and asked it to create a prompt, so which I can use in Google AI Studio. So it has given this or created this prompt. So it says, create a simple browser game using pure HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in one file. Game requirements: a flying character, a spaceship or cartoon character that moves up down with arrow keys. Spacebar shoots projectiles. So if I click spacebar, it will shoot projectiles. Obstacles appear from the right side and move horizontally. If the projectile hits an obstacle, increase score by 1 and remove the obstacles if the character. So I have all the instructions here. If I hit the obstacles, game will be over. And with this one, so I said, provide the complete HTML file with embedded CS and JavaScript. So I'm also asking it to provide me the end file of the programming. So now let's see, if I provide these instructions here and if I click build, what happens? So it is implementing, means this is the vibe coding actually. So I've given the instructions and it is coding behind the scene. And here, once the code will be done, we can see the total complete code here, and then we can see the preview of the game and play in which device, how it will be showing the game, it will be showing here. And we can check this what's happening. So through this 26 seconds, so now 26 seconds over, it has done all these things. So it has created a metadata JSON, index.html file, index fsx, types.ts, and components game canvas tsx. So it's creating the required files for that game, and all these informations are here. So it will take some time, probably a couple of minutes, I'm guessing, based on the complexity we have mentioned in the game. So it's little bit complex. It's not super easy. It's moderate complex, I can say. So based on that, it's doing the means it's generating that code. Okay, so if you see here, now it's done. We can still modify it by adding here, and yeah, add background music if you want. You can add background music and all, means we can keep modifying it. But let's see the code first. So this is the overall game. So this is the app.tsx file, and this is the game canvas, and this is the index.html, this is the index.tsx metadata json. This has all the description and all, and then types.ts, and this is the preview. So let's start the mission. I don't know why this is, I think it's still loading. I'm not sure actually, but still let's see. If I say start mission, oh, I need to move. Yeah, so I'm so if you see ready pilot, so I'll start again. So score. So yep, you see this is the game, but it's not increasing the score. I'm not sure why. Game over, final score is 0. So I can ask it, uh, the game, I can say it's not increasing the score. So I'm sending more instructions to it that, yeah, this is working, but not completely. So it will check the logic actually, that why the score is not getting increased. And then I hope, means when I use GitHub Copilot, right, similar things when I do vibe coding, it internally can check the logic and can figure out why it's not working, and then it rectify it. So let's see if Google AI Studio does that. So it's still running. 50 seconds, it's still running. So yeah, it's taking some time. So this is the one aspect today. In today's video, we'll be trying to do couple of games to see, like, if they are actually worth of, like, if they are, like, near to a real video game or not. It's taking too much time. Annotate app, okay. Or should I play it in full screen and see again? Let's see. I try to play it in full screen and see if, yeah, score is not getting increased. So yeah, half of the things are working. It's, yeah. device mobile. If I do mobile, it will be showing like this. Then if I changed it to tablet, it will be showing like this game. Then if I do current screen like this, if I escape, okay, yeah, it has identified something, I think. Yeah, you see, it's trying to fixing it, refining coordinate handling and all. So it's still working on it. Yeah, but I'm still preferring GitHub Copilot, which is built on ChatGPT, analyzing one error. So let's see the final version of what it is modifying it. So basically it is changing something inside this game canvas.tsx file. So it says components game canvas.tsx 2922 expected 1. So it should be increasing by 1 point for each hit, but got 0. So yeah, at least it has identified something, trying to fix it. So when it is doing this one, let's try to do one more thing. Let me open it here. Google AI Studio. I'm opening it in with another account, Google AI Studio. So I have another game plan. So let's give this prompt. So this prompt is basically a maze runner escape game. So I'm saying create a complete HTML, CSS and JavaScript game in a single file. Game concept, maze runner escape requirements. I've given all the requirements. Generate 20 by 20 tile based maze randomly on each game start, play, move keys, uh, these things. Add 10 20 collectible coins randomly. So yeah, this is basically the prompt. And let me give this prompt to Google AI Studio and run it. Let's see if it can create this one. Okay, so while it is doing some this preparing this code, let's explain what we have here. So we have here temperature. Temperature is basically, if I give low temperature, then it will be more predictable, and if I give higher temperature, it will be more creative. So by default is 1, so I kept it 1. So you can change accordingly and then you can see the differences. And if you see here this button, if you change it here and then if you want to reset everything, you can click this one and it will reset all the settings to default settings. So I have all these default settings here, but you can change it accordingly and can see how that matters for you. So I can see it is generating the code, it's creating the HTML file, maze runner escape game code, and it is showing us how much token it has used. So if you see here, input token 245, so I've given 245 tokens, and it has used 5994 tokens. So there might be a limit, and after that it won't work for you for free. Then we have to uh, go to a subscription based model, and then we have to see the pricing and all. So till now what it has done, it is still working, I think. Preview, show preview. Yep. So it has created the preview, and you see game over. Yeah, so it's not bad, not very perfect, but we have, like, we can try this thing, and I don't know, like, how can I make it uh, full screen? That's the way I cannot see the whole uh, stuffs here. But overall, you see, like, it has created uh, the maze runner thing. Yeah, here it is. I'm trying to see how can I make it full screen. That's where I'm struggling a little bit. Uh, playground. Wow. Go to the home, dashboard, projects. Now I have lost it. I'll give this prompt and ask it to So I have given this same instructions, just asked it to change a little bit so that the game can play on the full screen. And while it is doing this one, let's see here if it, you see, it has changed it. Analyzed errors for 75 seconds. Initial, okay, so now it says it has fixed the issue. And let's see. Let's try to play it. I'll do full screen here. And oh, yeah, you see, now it is perfect. Oh, game over. Yeah. So now it is perfect. Yeah, it's nice. So this is good. This is really good. Okay, so we'll escape from here. Where is that escape button? Device, mobile, current screen. How to escape it now? Okay, here. Okay, so the first game, it's came nice. So overall, I'm happy to see, like, it is really doing the coding for us, and it has done the coding in couple of minutes probably, right, which probably could take a couple of days to complete this overall thing accurately. Now let's go to the second window where I'm trying to make the maze runner perfect. So it's again uh, generating the new code for the maze runner, and I'm not sure, is it done? It's not saying anything that it's done or not. uh, I don't know, I do not know. It's not saying anything at all. So I see the preview button, and I see, so using this one I can download the code, I guess. Yes, I can download the code. And if I download the code, I can, it's a HTML, so I can click it here, and now, yeah, this is perfect. So now this is perfect. I don't want to go there. Uh, 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 uh. Yep. Overall, I'm satisfied with this one as well. Exit, there's the exit button. I can exit. Yeah. So exit button is not working. I can give another instructions that the exit button is not working. Make it work. So overall, this is what I wanted to demonstrate. So it's not like I used it before. This is the first time. That's why I'm not very accurate in using this application or Google AI Studio. So this is the first time I'm using it. Overall, I'm happy. So I tried to create two games, and it has generated the two games, and those are functioning. Those are functioning. So I'm happy. So this was the video. Actually, I wanted to show the power of Google AI Studio with Gemini 3, and I'll be keep using Google AI Studio now, and we'll make new videos, and I'll be next, probably I'll be using this Nano Banana and try to generate images through it and see how uh, easily we can generate difficult images. So for now I'll say, like, this is the end of the video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you.